Go ahead with our process. You are welcome to hold your signs. You are welcome to protest. You cannot impede what we are going forward with. So we're going to have to ask you to move out of the front gate. But you are welcome to continue. You are welcome to continue, but you are going to have to move out of the front gate.
These people need to have adequate shelter. Where is it?
Can we go to your guys' house and take a shower, officers? And get some food? Why are you in my way? You literally stood in the middle of my walk. Move, pig.
No.
Okay. We can stand here all day, pig.
It's fine. That's what I get paid to do, right?
Yeah, it is.
That's what you get paid to do? You said that's what you get paid to do? You get paid to stand here and block a fucking sidewalk. You're no better than a security guard.
Scott Jones.
For your violent, abusive, unconstitutional behavior. How many lawsuits this year? Add this one on. Add it on.
This show of force is being met by community resistance with people saying, hey, we have a right to be here. There's no shelter for us otherwise. And what are you going to do? Homeless people have gathered here because they've been kicked out of a lot of other places. And given the opportunity to be in one place, they have been able to accumulate a few necessities of life and just survive. And that's what they're trying to do.
Probably back out to the streets where I was moving 3 or 4 times a day, playing what we call the homeless shuffle, and that's where the county cops, the sheriffs, will send you to the city area, and that's black and white, and the city cops will send you over to the sheriff's area. They like to play that homeless shuffle game a lot. It's exhausting and tiresome and unnecessary.
Yeah, here's the thing. Trespassing is a misdemeanor. A law came into place where they cannot evict you from a private property because they have no adequate shelter. So don't get scared by a police. Take their badge number. You guys start getting a piece of paper and a pen and stick together, okay?
I'm not leaving. I'm totally disabled. I can barely walk. I cannot pack up my own shit. So since they're here, and if I don't leave, what are they going to do? Take all my stuff again? For the 3rd time, I'm not leaving. I have nowhere to go. This is my home. So I will go to jail if I have to. I'm not going nowhere. I'm done.
Where is your compassion? Where's your discretion? They have nowhere to go. How can you stand here and defend this?
Officer pulled and took my arm and twisted it.
If anyone has a vehicle parked on the property of 5700 Stockton Boulevard, please move your vehicle or be subject to tow.
What about the woman whose arm you broke?
I think I am absolutely glad that the sheriff is out here getting rid of people that are on county-owned property. It doesn't make sense that people are going out here and they're doing God knows what on this land. It's not safe for anyone. I don't understand how they think that they can just come and move here and then the other people that live here are suffering, the residents, the business owners, everybody. If I'm coming to visit Sacramento and I drive down this and this is what I see, that's not okay. It's not okay. Yes, there needs to be resources. Yes, there needs to be help for the homeless population, but this is not, you can't just take over something that doesn't belong to you.
Try to again, I'm gonna drop you, nigga. Try to again, I'm gonna drop you, boy. Back up. Try to again, I'm gonna drop you. Back up. That's on my kids. Hard enough.
Yeah, he's smart. Can't wait to hit corners and
Too many cops! Too little justice!
What's my
Fuck out of here.
You don't like my tongue? Arrest me
Fuck
for
out
my
of
tongue.
here. Fuck out of here. Get the fuck off me, boy! Get the fuck off me! Stay back! Stay back! Stay back! Stay back! Stay back!